Welcome to Local Business Spotlight, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. I'm sitting in the studio today with Tanner Moore. Now, he's from Guardian Investment Advisors, and we're talking all about the Medicare program and the options that you need to know. We're going to try to dig a little bit deeper today and explain them for you. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you, Troy.
Before we get into that, I want to ask you, what made you get into this field?
You know, it's a great question. My daughter was born last year, and she means the world to me. I was a teacher and coach previously in North Georgia. I love coaching. I love education, but I wanted more time with her. I wanted to spend that time, and unfortunately, with coaching and education, you are gone a lot when it comes to that. And so I actually had an opportunity with Gary Thurman and Guardian Investment Advisors to come in and be their healthcare and wellness planner, specializing with Medicare. And it's been amazing because I love educating and I love coaching people. And that's something that I love to do. I have a big heart, and it's something helping people with a need that's very confusing.
Well, I think everyone knows you as Coach Moore, don't they?
Right, exactly. This area knows me as Coach Moore, correct.
I want to talk to you a little bit about helping people.
Absolutely.
Because Medicare can be very confusing, right?
Yes.
I get confused even though I get the questions.
Absolutely.
I can only imagine what it's like for someone turning 65 and preparing all their information they need to bring to you. Why would someone come to you for the help when it comes to Medicare?
It's a great question because the help that they get from us and we help educate comes at no cost. So whether they go direct to the carrier and enroll or they come to us and we help educate with their options, there is no cost to that. And so what type of value is there with no additional cost? It's huge for people.
A few things I want to get with what you just said. If we come in and we qualify for Medicare,
correct,
for 65 plus, we'll start with that. Do I need other medical insurance to go along with it? And is that possible?
It is possible if you're still working.
Right.
You know, I won't get to the weeds on that one, but it is possible if you're working. If you're retired, Medicare is what almost everybody will go on to.
I want to talk a little bit about, if we can, the top 4 things that Medicare do not cover.
4 things Medicare does not cover are preventative, dental, hearing, and vision coverage, also prescription drugs. There is an alternative, and that's a Medicare Advantage plan where you're privatizing your health coverage with a private insurance carrier. And a lot of those plans do include those additional benefits, but it comes at which carrier you choose.
Okay, so that's something that you would advise us to be part of, right?
Absolutely.
And is that income-based, or how does that assess on what we choose or how we choose, what we're going to get charged?
Sure, that's a great question, and that's just a simple individual conversation with someone that we tell them, when you come in, we'll look at your taxable income. We'll look at everything that you make from your working career each year. And based off that taxable income and where you are with the budget and what your needs are with your healthcare costs, that's where we are able to assess and kind of make a recommendation.
Tanner, Medicare changes all the time. Is this something that we need to sit down and discuss with you on a yearly basis, like doing our taxes?
It is so important. It is so important for people out there to have a yearly conversation about Medicare Advantage plans and prescription drug plans, because those change every single year.
Yeah, it's super important, I feel, because I know with my normal insurance, it's a conversation I have every year. I want to talk about people under 65 with a disability.
Right.
What do they need to do if they need to be highlighted with extra benefits, maybe?
Yeah, it would be the same exact route that somebody 65 or older would be looking at with their Medicare coverage. And once again, it becomes an individual conversation with that person.
I appreciate you. I'm going to call you Coach Moore from now on.
That's fine. Most people out there do call me that.
We appreciate you. Thanks for all the information. If you want to find out more, there it all is up on the screen for you. I've been chatting away with Tanner Moore from Guardian Investment Advisors, talking all about Medicare and knowing your options.